It's that wintry time of year yet again. This cold winter season, I'd like to curl up with a good book. And what better book than the new Midwinter Dungeons & Dragons 5th edition module by Rybonator. This new 16-page Christmas classic is chock full of nothing but holiday fun, a dash of violence, and presents for all the good little elves and goblins out there. And the best part? It won't cost you a dime. This tale tells the story of Vittervald, the toy-making master of winter, and the angry, prideful chieftain orc, whose daughter was left without any presents last year. It's a shame. This book was made in collaboration with the good holiday elves over at retrogrademinis.com. They've been working tirelessly to make sure that you had enough art to have a solid holiday with your family, because family is what matters. And this time of year, your family deserves over 80 pieces of amazing Christmas Dungeons & Dragons art with variations of each individual character, ready to print and play your own Dungeons & Dragons game. So what are you waiting for? Grab yourself a cup of hot chocolate, download the Midwinter module in the description down below for free, and forget that 2020 ever happened.